What is going on, guys? Today we are going to be talking about how I actually take care of my hair these days. Now, if you go back and you watch videos in the past, you'll see me talking a lot about showering pretty much every single day, mostly because of the fact that I was exercising, still am exercising every single day, sweat a lot, and wanted to keep hygienic. Things have changed quite a bit in the way that I actually maintain and take care of my hair system and my natural hair every single day, which is pretty strange, honestly. I've kind of done a complete 180 from where I once was and what I once believed was best for the hair system and myself. And that's kind of shocking to me, but it is what it is. Like, we learn, we try, we experiment, and we find out new information. But real quick, guys, this video is sponsored by Levivid Hair. Make sure you use my code Jake15 down below to check out a 15% discount on any stock unit that you want, or multiple units. So make sure you go ahead and you take advantage of that. So let's talk for a second about the progression of like where I've come from and what I now believe, right? So phase one, I would say, was me shampooing and conditioning my hair just about every single day with a hair system. I would go work out, I'd come back, take a shower, wash my hair with shampoo, and then I would condition my hair after, take about 5 minutes, let it sit in, condition it, which I believed was going to moisturize the hair system, make sure that we take care of it and that it stays moisturized and it's gonna stay soft. What I've come to realize is that that's actually not exactly the appropriate way. Now, my first change to this was that I started taking showers every single day, but what I would do is I would actually go about skipping the shampoo and I would just condition it every single day. So I'd get it wet and then I wash it, kind of just like run a comb through it real quick, and I would condition the hair. This was pretty effective, and I noticed that there was a significant gain in the moisture level of the hair system. The hair itself, it felt better, felt more healthy. And what I also started noticing is that I was maybe getting some more tangles. I was getting more problems like that with my hair system, which was causing the hair systems to actually have a shorter lifespan, right? Because we're basically dealing with 3 different things when it comes to your hair system. You're dealing with color, color preservation, right? So keeping the color you want. You're dealing with moisture, basically making sure that the hair system feels moisturized and doesn't look super duper dry. And then the third component that you're trying to factor in is keeping your hair system untangled, right? So what I found was that shampooing it a lot was actually stripping the color out of my hair system. Shampooing it was, right? These are harsh chemicals that are designed for cleaning. Well, it was actually stripping the color. So the next phase that I mentioned is that the conditioning it every single day but not shampooing it, I was still getting a lot of tangles. I would say it's probably about the same amount, maybe a little bit more, because I was trying to be gentler on my hair system. I wasn't really combing it every single day, all that kind of stuff. And so I had a lot of tangles, but there was more moisture inside of it, but it still was drying out fairly quickly. So this brings me to kind of where I am today. I actually basically don't wash my hair system ever, besides when I'm actually reinstalling the unit. So about once every week to 10 days. And the reason is because I've discovered that it doesn't really need to be washed. It doesn't, especially with these poly units now. I have to go back and try this with a hybrid system, but with a poly unit, there's no sweat, there's no exposure to that type of stuff in your hair system on a day-to-day basis, right? Because the poly membrane keeps your sweat and everything basically away from your actual hair system hair. But what I did notice is that the moisture of the unit seems to hold better when there's less and less washing. What I do though is when I take out my hair system is I deep condition it for probably about 15 to 20 minutes. And that is a color depositing conditioner. So it's actually revitalizing the color. So we're taking care of that. And it's also moisturizing the unit. And I found that this has been like an extremely effective way to retain the moisture inside of my hair system, not strip it of its color, and keep it looking great. Well, what about the thing when it comes to tangles, right? We're trying to take care of the tangles, make sure that we don't get really, really bad ones, because when that happens, you have to pull and tug on the hair, and oftentimes it winds up coming out of the hair system. Well, what I've been doing is I brush my hair every single morning. I make sure I go through it with a wide-toothed brush that is really high quality, and I just basically run through it like this, and I seek and destroy any of these small tangles or knots that are currently existing. And I do that maybe once, twice, 3 times throughout the day. Most of the time it'll be after like activity, right? So after I work out, that's the time that I might go ahead and I will comb my hair again. The only other thing I'm doing is I'm using a substance in my hair that's keeping it nice and moisturized, and it's working. I mean, you can see in this hair system, if you look at the sheen of the hair system, you can see that there's moisture in it. You can see that it's actually keeping this nice shine, this nice sheen, and it's actually looking really, really healthy. This is the first time that I've ever encountered that, and one of the big reasons is because of this product that I'm using. So, you know, that has a played a factor, but I honestly am moving towards really not washing my hair system hardly ever. Just it seems like it's working better. That's my experimentation. Anyways, guys, thank you to Vivid Hair for sponsoring this video, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you soon.